It is nice in here, a cooling center in Hartford, the Parkville Senior Center. But many seniors can't travel for one reason or another, but they still need someone to look after them when it's this hot. A blood pressure check is part of the weekly visit from a visiting nurse from VNA HealthCare. With the heat, he's also looking for signs of fatigue, dehydration, and heat exhaustion. The nurse pinches the man's wrist to conduct what he calls a skin trigger on Robert Daly, who will be 90 in September.
So see how it's going kind of slowly back? That's kind of a sign of heat dehydration.
An indication of exhaustion might be when they're pale, so we want to make sure that the color is a healthy color, also that there's not, if they're perspiring much, and that can also lead to exhaustion and with heavy sweating.
He'll see 5 patients a day checking on clothing and conditions in the house, but in heat waves it's important that people check on their elderly neighbors.
Check to see if they're doing okay, what kind of conditions their house is in, make sure that they have, a cool environment, that they have fans or air conditioning.
The nurse there says the elderly tend to lose what he calls their thirst drive. But drinking water is essential, no matter how old you might be. Doug Green, NBC Connecticut News.
The hot temperatures also causing some problems for Metro North. Officials say trains are operating at slower speeds because of the heat, and travelers should expect some delays.